Welcome to today's segment on cardiovascular exercises. In the next 5 minutes, we'll explore the different types of cardio workouts, delve into their benefits, provide some guidelines for safe and effective workouts, and share valuable tips to maximize your cardiovascular exercise routine. Join our Wellness Warrior community at wellnesswarriorshub.com, where we encourage and inspire one another to be the greatest versions of ourselves. We encourage participation, so feel free to leave comments, ask questions, and tell us about your own wellness journey. Let's get started. 1. Types of cardiovascular exercises. Cardiovascular exercises come in various forms, ensuring there's something for everyone. Let's explore a few popular options. Running/jogging, lace up your shoes and hit the pavement for a high-impact cardio workout that strengthens your lower body and gets your heart pumping. Cycling, whether outdoors or on a stationary bike, cycling is a low-impact option that provides an excellent cardiovascular challenge while being gentle on your joints. Swimming, dive into the pool for a refreshing full-body workout that engages multiple muscle groups and offers a low-impact, joint-friendly option. Jumping rope, grab a jump rope and get your heart rate up with this simple yet effective cardio exercise that can be done anywhere. 2. Benefits of cardiovascular exercises. Engaging in cardiovascular exercises offers numerous benefits for your overall health and well-being. Let's take a look at some of them. Improved heart health. Cardio workouts strengthen your heart muscles, improve circulation, and reduce the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and stroke. Weight management. Regular cardio exercises help burn calories and contribute to weight loss or weight maintenance, making it an essential component of any weight management plan. Increased energy and stamina. Cardio workouts boost your energy levels, improve endurance, and enhance overall stamina, allowing you to perform daily activities with ease. 3. Guidelines for safe and effective cardio workouts. To ensure a safe and effective cardio workout, keep the following guidelines in mind. Start slowly. Begin with shorter durations and lower intensities, gradually increasing as your fitness improves. Warm up and cool down. Always warm up with dynamic stretches and cool down with static stretches to prevent injuries and muscle soreness. Stay hydrated. Drink water before, during, and after your workout to stay properly hydrated and maintain optimal performance. 4. Tips to maximize your cardiovascular exercise routine. Here are some tips to make the most of your cardio workouts. Mix it up. Vary your cardio activities to keep things interesting and challenge different muscle groups. This can also help prevent boredom and plateaus. Set goals and track progress. Set realistic goals and track your progress to stay motivated. Celebrate milestones along the way to keep your motivation high. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel during exercise. If you experience pain or discomfort, modify the intensity or duration accordingly. It's important to prioritize safety and avoid overexertion. Stay consistent. Aim for regular cardio workouts, ideally at least 150 minutes per week, to reap the long-term benefits. Consistency is key. And that's a wrap on our segment about cardiovascular exercises. We explored the different types of cardio workouts, highlighted their benefits, provided guidelines for safe and effective workouts, and shared valuable tips to maximize your routine. Remember, cardiovascular exercises are not only beneficial for your heart health but also contribute to overall fitness and well-being. So, lace up your shoes, dive into the pool, or hop on that bike, whatever gets your heart pumping, and enjoy the countless benefits of cardio exercises. Stay fit and stay healthy.